Dear students, we wish you all a very happy and cheerful Children's Day. Here we go.
Children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on it makes an impression. My dear children, it is my earnest desire that you, the future of our country and the entire world, may make an everlasting impression on the society by your value-based life. Wishing you all the greetings of Children's Day.
Dear my students, wish you all a happy Children's Day. For me, it is a celebration of innocence. Children are always happy for no reason. And when children are around us, we feel so happy, energized and enthusiastic. 14th November is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He served our land 16 years as a Prime Minister with a vision to make India a world leader. He believed children are the future of a nation, so they must be given good and quality education and ensure that they are brought up in a positive atmosphere and they must be cared well. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was very popular among students, among children, and the children lovingly and fondly called him Chacha Nehru. On this day of his birth anniversary, dear my students, I would like to say that each of you is a gift of God to your family, to the society, and particularly to this institution. Each one of you is a unique and different flower. And all these different and unique flowers together make this beautiful garden, the Garden of St. Joseph's. Dear students, today we are missing you all in this campus. Your smile, your giggles, your laughter, everything we are missing in this campus. So on this day, once again, I would like to remind you students, keep away from the evils of the society. Follow good. Develop good habits. And work for peace, harmony, and prosperity of our nation.
चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर छुरी पहाड़ी तू छुरा लाड़ी तेरा हाथ नहीं ओढ़िया लोग बिछाड़ी तू छुरा लाड़ी मैं छुरी पहाड़ी तेरा हाथ नहीं ओढ़िया लोग बिछाड़ी अरे नहीं बटड़ा तो लोगों ना पछाड़ा अरे हाँ बोल गलो मंडाण
Hello, my dear students. Wish you a very happy Children's Day. Today, on this very auspicious occasion, I have prepared one song for you. This song is just for your entertainment. I hope you will enjoy it. हिस्ट्री गंदा लगता है, ज्योग्राफी बेकार लगता है, तेरे आगे डियर फिजिक्स। हिस्ट्री गंदा लगता है, ज्योग्राफी बेकार लगता है, तेरे आगे डियर फिजिक्स। हो बायो क्या सब्जेक्ट है, माइंड की किटकिट है, दिल चाहे फेंके इसे हम हर दम। हो बायो क्या सब्जेक्ट है, माइंड की किटकिट है, दिल चाहे फेंके इसे हम हर दम। हिस्ट्री गंदा लगता है, ज्योग्राफी बेकार लगता है, तेरे आगे डियर फिजिक्स। हो मैं आवारा संस्कृत बेचारा, क्लासेस में फिरता हूँ मैं मारा मारा। होठों पे सबके तू रहने वाली इंग्लिश, कैसे बनूंगा मैं तेरा सहारा। मैथ्स न माने जीके न जाने, हर दिन हर पल हिंदी पुकारे। हिस्ट्री गंदा लगता है, ज्योग्राफी बेकार लगता है, तेरे आगे डियर फिजिक्स। हिस्ट्री गंदा लगता है, ज्योग्राफी बेकार लगता है, तेरे आगे डियर फिजिक्स। Thank you,
First
my
of all, a very happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Children, today I am going to tell you a story about a rich businessman and his two sons. rich businessman had a very flourishing business which he had earned with his hard work and labor. He wanted to leave his business to the most intelligent of both his sons. He called both of his sons one day and he gave them a 10 rupee note and one room each. He asked them to fill that room with that 10 rupees. Both the sons, they were surprised and they started thinking how to get it done. So they set out on the mission. After 3 days they returned and they asked their father to come for the survey. Father came and he went inside the first room of his younger son. He saw the whole room is lit with a bright light and the bright light was coming out from an earthen lamp. He became happy. Then he went to the second room of his elder son and he saw the whole room in darkness filled with straw. So he decided that he will leave his legacy to his younger son. Children, today on this Children's Day, I bless you all with the intelligence of the younger son. May you all come out in the world and fill the world with the light of your intelligence.
Wish you a very happy Children's Day. Though we are away, but you are always in our heart. Once again, wish you a very happy Children's Day and have a good day.
My dear children, Children's Day is a day filled with the innocence of love and purity that you all bring to this world. It is you with whom lies all the freshness and magic. Our country today needs to stand tall again as Bhagya Vidhata, with big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes, boundless love in your unbiased heart, and the strength to make the impossible happen in your little hands. You have the potential to transform tomorrow. Every one of you is a different kind of flower that altogether makes the world a beautiful garden. Just believe in your own scent and blossom in your own domain. I would also like to congratulate all the parents on this day for planting the seeds of compassion and leadership in the hearts of children and mold them into the envoys of change. Wishing everyone a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Exercise number 2.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा ओ मखना छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा ओ मखना
तेरी ही बातें हों सुबह सी रातें हों जब से मिला है तू दिल को मिला सुकून तू ही राह मेरी तू ही सफर है तेरी बाहों में अब मेरा घर है
चैन न जाने दर्द न जाने दिल तो बस दिल को पहचाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा ओ मखना